Excited to go riding, Ty?
Oh yeah. Very excited. It's a good way to start off a vacation, huh? Yep.
Got
Me up.
all the bikes ready to go?
Yep, just topping off with gas, and then we're gonna head out to the desert and just mess around out there and go do some exploring. The desert.
The desert. Are you ready, Tan?
Yeah.
Excited to go?
Yeah.
It's just hot today. Have fun.
97 degrees out?
Yeah, it's hot.
And the air's on.
Can someone turn the AC on?
Please.
You guys have fun. Be safe.
You name it. See a snake, lift your feet up. I'm running that motherfucker over.
Or that, too.
Rolled out.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah. You going again?
Woo! It's hot out there. There's a guy out there practicing in a, what are those, a Baja?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sweet. That thing was faster than heck, huh? That thing was awesome.
He didn't care what he was going over.
He just flew over anything.
I almost crashed.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, I was behind you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How?
I actually, like, I hit a big rock and, like, moved me over and I was flew off.
Did you want to go up around here at all, or did you want to go look up there?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be right back.
Do you want a water?
Trip, and then we're gonna call it a day.
Okay. Do you want some water? Do you want a water? Anybody?
Want
You're
water?
fine?
Nah,
Huh?
we'll get one when we get back.
Okay.
How's your anxiety?
I know, I was worried about you guys. I'm glad you had fun. Tanner's done for the day.
Is he? Yeah, we are too. It's hot out there.
Yeah. All right.
Watch your speed in here, okay? You're going too fast.
I know.
Cool to camp right here, huh? Wouldn't it be cool to pull the trailer right here and overlook this? Huh.
Woo! Let's go. So, just got back from riding. That was a pretty long ride. We were out for a good
1 hour, maybe an hour, yeah.
I had fun. It's great to be on the quad again. I got into 4th. I think 5th gear I got into one point.
Did you?
Yeah,
Good.
I think so. You, my friend.
Did you have fun?
What gear did you get into?
5th.
My hands are shaky.
You're shaking?
Yeah.
You got pump hands.
I know.
That's why.
That was death grip in that thing.
Yeah. We didn't see any snakes though. That's a good thing.
I saw one.
You did see
I
a
dead
snake?
one.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't see any.
It was on the mountain over here.
Oh. Huh.
You know I lost you on
You
this
did?
mountain. There's a turn I didn't know which one you
Oh,
took.
really?
Yeah.
Fool.
Mom, it's not time for you to get on your quad and ride with us.
I know, we got to get it up and run this week. Gotta get a new battery and
I'm totally shaking.
you can't stop. Drink a lot of water. Yeah, and then the 4 of us can go ride together.
Right. So now that I'm on vacation, I'll fix the wires for the battery, and we'll fix what else? I got to clean the carburetor, and just I guess that's probably about it. It needs a little bit more oil, and we'll get hers up and running and bring it out so the 4 of us can ride these trails around here. I think they'd be pretty easy for Mom. Pretty much just all straightaways. So good times, good times. Your key. Leave it in the bike.
No, you get it up here.
That's good stuff.
I didn't know if you guys knew I was recording you.
What's that? Oh, dehydrated.
How was your ride?
It's alright.
You don't like it out there?
I don't really like it right here.
It's just mainly flat. It's all flat grounds. There's no
Yeah.
jumps. There's one small little track out there, but there's like I said, there's got maybe 4 or 5 turns in it, but no jumps at all.
It's good for learning.
It's good for you. It's actually really good for you.
You go for a razor.
I think that trail what's the trail right down the road here? Safiel? Is that it? No, it's Safiel.
No,
that's Prescott. What's that other one that we went to? It's right down the road. I can't
The
remember.
Boulders.
Was it?
Boulders.
Boulders, yes.
Yeah.
Boulders, I think. We need
Was
to
that
take a
your
trip
favorite
over
place?
there.
Yeah, that place is the best.
Yeah.
The Boulders.
Yeah, Boulders is pretty cool because there's big rolling hills and there's sand. There's all sorts of different things that you can ride in. It's not just one thing that you're riding in. It's a little bit of everything. So it kind of helps us out, better our skills, I think. Sand is a pain in the butt. That's the one thing I need to work at on riding in. Sand is just a little bit tougher than gravel and rock, I think.
Would I be able to ride up at Forrest Lakes?
Yeah.
That's Tanner's favorite spot.
Yeah, easily.
Maybe we'll take a trip up there.
Yeah, we should.
Just do a day trip.
Oh, no way, day trip. Are you kidding me? That's a far drive. That's like 4.5 hours.
I don't have to drive
That'd be
though.
like an overnighter. We could stay at maybe Grant's place. If he allow us, and don't have to haul the trailer up there. We just haul the bikes up there and just stay one night. That'd be awesome.
Let's see if Clint and the kids,
Yeah.
Tiffany, want to come up.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
Get cleaned up. We're gonna head down to the restaurant.
Restaurant. Go get a nice cold beer. All right, that's it. That was a nice little 2-day getaway out here at Lake Pleasant, Arizona. We are packing up. Got the bikes packed up. Had a friend last night, some donkey crap. Decided to come into our camp, destroy one of my bags for cornhole. So, gotta buy some new ones of those. But up and coming events, we are gonna probably come out here next weekend for another couple days. Tyler wants to get his permit, and first of all, we need to get her quad fixed. So I'm gonna work on that, and yeah. So that's gonna end this one. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Peace.